Community and Unity, the vision of St. Augustine. Understanding the legacy and heart of Augustinian community. Who was St. Augustine? Overview. Lived 354 to 430 AD, Bishop of Hippo, one of the most influential theologian and philosopher in the Western history. His life journey shifted from worldly ambitions to deep spiritual and community connection. The core philosophy, one heart and one mind. St. Augustine believed that the primary purpose of community is to journey toward God together rather than alone, emphasizes mutual love, service, and shared spiritual growth. Community is a core pillar of Augustinian vocation. St. Augustine taught that true human fulfillment happens not in isolation, but in harmonious shared life, mutual friendship, and collective search for truth and love. Core principles of Augustinian community. First, oneness of heart. Unity goes beyond living in the same place. It is a spiritual bond aligning individual desires with common good. Second, shared life and goods. Inspired by the early Christian community in Jerusalem, members shared physical, spiritual, and personal gifts so no one is in need. Third, deep friendship. Relationships are built in trust, sincerity, humility, and mutual respect rather than superficial associations. Fourth, collective search for truth. Members help and challenge one another in their spiritual journey and intellectual growth rather than walking alone. The city of God versus the earthly city. The earthly city, rooted in self love and self interest. The city of God, built on the love of God, justice, and genuine community. The goal, striving to build communities that reflect the values of the city of God, promoting peace and charity. Pillars of Augustinian community. First, truth, a shared continuous pursuit of knowledge and wisdom. Second, love or caritas, the glue that holds the community together, prioritizing service to others. Third, interiority, turning inward to find truth and listening to one's own soul to better connect with neighbors. Modern application. What does our community look like today? Inclusivity, welcoming all individuals on their spiritual journey. Second, supportive networks, standing together in times of hardship and rejoicing in shared victories. Third, active service, putting faith into action through charity, outreach, and local engagement. Conclusion. St. Augustine, model of community, transcend time, promoting deep unity in diversity. The Augustinian way is a continuous journey of loving God and loving one's neighbor. Thank you for watching.